Sabrina Maniscalco had an idea of finding new ways to explain the beauty and mystery of quantum physics to the general public. Davide Giovangiana was looking for a new challenging circus production, and the rest is history. Scientists and circus artists began an unexpected but fruitful cooperation. After a process that has taken over a year, the first quantum circus in the world is ready to perform. The project has been extremely challenging, but also extremely rewarding.
Of course, the first thing is how to use circus discipline to express the principle of quantum physics and to find the right balance or the right combination, or let's say, what kind of language do we have to use. And step by step we start to understand that how we could convey the meanings not in the traditional way but using either way that are more surprising and more mysterious.
I think it was quite a challenge for the scientists to try to find ways to convey the ideas of quantum physics. But more than trying to explain what we eventually, learned somehow by dialoguing, by exchanging ideas with the artists and with Davide, was a way to, convey the enthusiasm for research and convey the beauty of nature.
Science and art meet in a unique way in this performance. But how will the key concepts of quantum physics be conveyed to the audience in a circus show?
The fathers of quantum mechanics, Einstein, Bohr, Heisenberg, they, let's say, discovered the quantum world just through imagination. They didn't have the tools, they didn't have the technology to test what they were thinking that it's happening on the atomic level. So basically the show will be divided in two parts. That the first part, more, let's call metaphysical, where this aspect of imagination will be presented. And then there is a second part, which is, let's say, happening in nowadays, more concrete. We start in the lab, and then we go into the atomic world, which correspond more to what's happening nowadays.
And also I think that what they will see is the result of an experiment.
Oh, yeah.
The experiment in which we brought together physicists and artists, circus artists and composers, musicians, and they, let's say, they started a dialogue to create something new. The idea of interaction between these two groups, I think, has led to something which is truly unique. And you will see also physicists on stage, by the way.
That is very visual, very poetic, very impressive on that level. And then the second part, very funny.